With this technique, fishermen can catch 40 to 50 fish per minute. This method is called pole and line, using a tool known as Huhate, a type of fishing rod often decorated with chicken feathers to make the hook less visible to the fish. When targeting skipjack tuna, Huhate becomes the go-to weapon because it allows fishermen to catch large numbers of fish in a very short time. The process begins by locating a school of fish. Once found, small baitfish are released around the boat. Interestingly, almost the entire edge of the boat is equipped with water spraying pipes. These sprays are designed to trick the fish into thinking there's a feeding frenzy happening nearby, luring them closer to the boat. As the fish approach, fishermen quickly swing their Huhate rods, catching the fish one by one with speed and precision. It's a traditional technique that remains highly effective and environmentally friendly.